Come on. Get it out.
Why do you want him to? It's too gross. I know.
Going in.
Okay.
Ew.
More.
No, go put it in the grass. Henry. Go put it in the grass. No, come back here and pick it up and put it in the grass for me.
Put the slug in the grass, Mom said.
Come here.
First, you might want to wash it tonight. That's
Henry, pick it up and go put it in the grass.
Can't.
Yes, you can. Do it.
Me.
It's okay. You can wash your hands when you get done.
Henry, just do it. Okay.
You can do it. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Mix.
Just pick it up. You can wash your hands when you get done.